Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to apply or use average if function. A average if function is used to calculate the average of values under a single criteria or multiple criteria or condition. Here we have data and we want to calculate the average by applying average if function. We have a data and here we find average function. Let's equal sign and type AV and we double click here and select the criteria maximum range, average range, and comma and criteria range 1, comma, and we here want to find for 2, that is the criteria 1, bracket close and hit enter. So we get the average 94.5, which is the average of this one and this one. And if we apply multiple criteria, now if we want to apply multiple criteria or condition, then how to apply average formula. It's like the maximum average. We select the average range, comma, and select the criteria range 1 and comma, and here we enter the criteria which is 2 and again criteria range 2 which is from here, and here we enter the criteria 2 which is excellent, bracket close and hit enter. So we inverted comma close, need to insert the inverted comma for the text and then hit enter and we get the result. So we get the average of those values where 2 are weight and excellent are class also. Then the average of these two is 94.5. Like this way we can use average function to find average of values under a condition or multiple conditions. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.